My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below. But this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you. And now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
If you could talk on reactivation just for a second on like high points of like things that you would recommend doing as a part of a reactivation campaign, just as kind of a top level. And I'm in Rob's community, by the way, so thank you for that suggestion. So.
Yeah, you probably have learned more about it than me. I've done campaigns. So there's two different types of reactivation. One to make more money for the business and reactivate old customers or old leads, and then two, reviews, reactivation. Those are the two types that I've used. So we reach out to old customers and try to get them to leave a review on our Google business profile. And so with the first one, with a client reactivation, just trying to get more customers in the door, you can use some sort of discount or special promotion or just really discounts are and they don't work the same for every business because not all businesses are super repeat businesses. Like a plumber, you don't need a plumber but maybe every few years or something like that. It's not like if you send a blast out to a bunch of people for a plumbing company that they're all gonna jump on that offer. They work better for your common services, your barber shops or your med spas or the businesses that people are going into on a monthly basis, maybe, or somewhere close to that, like a pretty often basis. Those ones, that's where the discount deals will work better. But if a plumber's oh, we're doing 50% off, there are certain things a plumber might do that could work with that. Like hot water heater could be a good one because hot water heaters go bad every whatever 7-8 years. I don't know if I think that's right, but or maybe I'm thinking AC units, but that could be a good one that's semi-repeat enough that you might find somebody in that group of 500 texts you sent that just at that time needed the new water heater and they take advantage of the deal. But I found they're more successful for those repetitive businesses in doing some sort of discount deal, a 20% off or bring you pay and you get to bring a friend for free or just some of those. So there's lots of different
free
creative ways.
credits, like some other things I've seen as well. Yeah. Okay. That's
And
kind of what
then
my gathering was. The reactivation and what I'm doing with the roofing is it's new territory. I've had 5 people that are SaaSpreneur guys from GoHighLevel go, wow, I've never seen anything like this. I was like, great. I'd like to be the first person, but at the end of the day, it's kind of a new thing. So cool. Well, I'll keep you in the loop on that. And then, I'm getting my tickets and stuff for the thing. So we're
let's
good to go.
I'm excited, man.
Yeah.
And for reviews, a good one that works well is a gift card giveaway, a pretty big gift card too,
Hmm.
and say
Okay.
hey, for anybody who leaves us a review over the next 7-day period or 3-day period or something, we are giving away a $500 gift card, and the gift card could be somewhere different, or it could be a gift card to use in-store credit for whatever that business does. And only one person's going to get the gift card. It's only a single person giveaway, but they get entered into a lottery, I guess, or a drawing if they leave the review. And so that one's worked pretty well. I've done that one in the past with different clients.
Cool.
And then you could also just do a store credit if the business doesn't want to give away a couple $100 gift card. They could just say, hey, if for anybody who leaves this review, you'll get 2 months free, whatever it is, med spa treatment, a haircut, stuff like that. So
Got it.
that you need some sort of incentive. I found it's not enough to just send out a blast and ask people for reviews. They need to have some sort of incentive to leave that review. The
Yeah.
only time people will commonly leave reviews is right after the service. That's where they'll just do it out of the kindness of their heart because they just got a really good haircut and they're happy to leave the review when it's top of mind right after. But if you're asking people for reviews months later when they haven't come in or gotten a service from you in a long time, it's why am I going to take time to leave a review? I've worked with this person a year ago, or So you kind of have to incentivize people in some way. So those are a couple examples that work well.
Yeah. We got some hits on this as a separate one. It wasn't a gift card or a discount. It was a free $500 like roof inspection.
Oh, nice.
Pre and it was like a pre-hurricane season, pre-tornado season, pre-hail season kind of thing. And we had like 30 or 40 like replies that were like, yeah, I'll do a review. And then they got the link and started moving forward in the chain. So I think we've got like 20 or 25 total from all the different like versions of it. But that like for $500, people are like, oh yeah, $500, yeah, I'll take a free estimate kind of thing. And then if there's damage, then they can do the damage work, right, as opposed to the insurance work for like a storm. But it also makes them top of mind. And then they started doing the refrigerator magnets and a QR code so they could scan it and just submit an appointment. So it's been a pretty good campaign on that end. But anyway, new
Nice.
stuff.
Like refrigerator like when they go to do it, they give them a
Yeah,
magnet. And so it's just
yeah,
like put it on your fridge and they remember them because they're always looking at the fridge.
yeah, yeah. So
Dude,
anyway.
nice. Very cool.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.